Hello friends, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you all some of the clothes I recently bought on Amazon. It was also the first time I did an Amazon clothing haul and it is very interesting. I was very skeptical about it at first because I never saw Amazon as this clothing store, and it was always questionable for me, so I thought let's give it a try and let's see if it is good or bad, and some of it is really very nice. So let's begin. So first up we have these jeggings, which is a mixture of jeans plus leggings, and yes, they do fit very nicely. And let me point it out that even though they are very simple and plain, they have a very rich color, and they do go very nicely with the next top that I'm going to show you all. Is this. It is also a very plain one. It is actually a crop top, and I was really very skeptical. Now if you are a skinny person like me, body hugging clothes like these look very nicely, they fit well, and they really complement your posture. I think I framed it properly, I don't know, but you all know what I mean if you are a skinny person like me. So yes, these are a simple one, and the best part about having simple clothes, plain clothes, is that you can accessorize it very well, and I'm very happy with this. It goes with my skin color as well, and they do go very nicely with these jeans, and the fitting of this top is amazing. It is better than the jeans, and I can never be happier. Like, I was so skeptic at first about buying clothes on Amazon, and when I bought this, it was like I was shocked, but not for a very long time, because next up we have something that I regret buying, and obviously I'm going to send it back. I'm going to return it, and wait, let me show that to you all. Okay, first of all, it came like this, so it is not at all appealing. Like the other one came in nice, a cardboard in it and nicely packed, but this one, no. So it is okay. First of all, the picture of this was very misleading on its the page, like on Amazon, and they had not shown exactly what kind of top this is. If it is like like from behind, if it is stripped, or whatever. So
it is an open back top. I don't know what is it exactly called, but it is similar to a bikini, and it's not just the kind of top it is. Look this. You have to tie it behind, and it is like a bikini. It is not just the kind of top it is, but it is also the thing that I wouldn't, or none of us would normally wear in city like Mumbai. Obviously, it is a good thing if you wear, when you go on vacation or something. And obviously, it is not my kind of clothing at all.
And I was not aware of it because it was not mentioned anywhere on the website. So a big no for this. And whatever it is, like whatever the price of it is there on the website, it is literally not worth. So I am not very pleased with it. It does fit well on me. The size is good. It is a crop top, so obviously, and overall, not very happy with it. Am I going to return it? Definitely yes. So I just waited to not return it just to show in this haul, because it was a very funny thing. This was the exact reason why I am always skeptical. I always have second, third, fourth thoughts about buying clothes on Amazon. Never mind, because the next one I bought, a very interesting one. It is very stretchy, and being a skinny person that I am, the turtleneck and the slim fit really accents with my body posture. It really wait a second, yeah, it really fits very nicely. Obviously I'm going to insert clips of me wearing all these clothes. but nonetheless, this is literally the 3 tops and the pant. Actually, I did not buy anything more in this haul, is because I was genuinely very skeptical about buying clothes, and with the red one and the grey one, I'm really very surprised because they fit me well. The thing is, being a skinny person, there are not many clothes that there are not many go-to clothes that you all buy, not even in shops. That it's a very different thing online, because you cannot see it in person. So it is a very, risky thing for a person like me to buy clothes online. So to be on the safer side, I bought only three clothes, out of which one was something I'm not very happy with, so I'm going to send it back. But the other 2 months and the jeans, I'm saying this for a millionth time, for a skinny person like me, they have an amazing fitting. So yes, I'm very happy, very pleased with the red one. Actually, I love it the most. And I already had some accessories from Amazon which I had bought before, so I guess I'll show that to you all, the ones which I'm going to wear with the red one. So the first accessory that I'm going to wear with both the tops, you all will see me wearing it in the clips. It's something that comes in this small cute box, and being a Potterhead that I am, this is one of my favorite pieces of jewelry. It is a Deathly Hallows necklace, and it's very nice. It does rotate, there's small circle in it, and it's very nice. It is very simple, and I really like to wear simple accessories, because simple accessories look more delicate and nice than heavier accessories. So yes, this is something I'm going to wear. And for a bracelet, obviously this is also something that does not scream Harry Potter, but it is something related to it. It is this owl bracelet. Obviously it is a bracelet, but you all can wear it as an anklet also. It is also very delicate, and it is also one of my favorite pieces of jewelry. The Deathly Hallows one, I always wear it, like it goes with so many of my clothes, and I really like it a lot. And this is something I thought, being a rose gold item, I thought it will go nicely with the red one. So yes, this is it. One thing I forgot to add is that the jeans came tied with this string, and it's not much, but it really was a good touch. It made it look like a gift that you're unwrapping it. So yes, that's it. And y'all are not going to see me wearing any earrings, because I tried, but I bruised myself. So because it is going to be very noticeable when I am going to take clips, so I am already giving you all a disclaimer. So there is a reason I'm not wearing earrings, not that I forgot or something like that. It's just that I was wearing it and then I bruised. So yeah, that's there. So I think now it's the time for the clips.